So a couple little things going on here. We got there, got volume, and I got one for the driver side, so it's easy to reach. One for the passenger, and they're both linked. It's pretty funny. And just a couple of quick ones I like doing. General balance, stereo width. So that's basically mono. Sometimes you can have like just a little bit off. Bring in your virtual left and right. Mute. It's good if this one could show its mute state in the graphic, but it doesn't. And mono without having to do that one. And again, it would be good if it showed its state. There's probably something I'm missing. Use volume here. So at the moment I just got this plugged in with one utility there. I press mono, goes mono. Press mute, goes mute. Width, volume. So that's what I'm using so far. And I've still got all the other ones plugged in. So this, I have three volume controls at the moment, just so in case this one didn't blow the car up. Right, so that's that. I'll investigate that. And you can imagine this is just one page. There's an empty page. I think 10 pages you can have. That multi-dial thing, that was a bit of a head, what do you call it? A head F, because you'd have to look, when you're driving and looking, you have to choose the mini, like say you had 16, you have to touch each one, and you have to stare at it, so that wasn't very good. This one you can just feel it with your hands, see what's going on. And the other thing is, in the dark, you can't see the knobs, so I'm going to have to put a little underglow LED or something. So there, going along so far, so good.